Russian River Brewing Company has 2 locations, one in Windsor and one in Santa Rosa, California. Our Windsor brewery has a 75-barrel Ziemann Holvrieka brewhouse. We have 75-barrel, 150-barrel, and 300-barrel fermentation tanks, as well as the T-Rex wet mill. We have 2 brew pubs that people can visit year-round. We also distribute in multiple states throughout the country, and we are going to make about 40,000 barrels between the 2 locations. Russian River Brewing Company was founded out at Korbel Winery in Guerneville here in Sonoma County in 1997. The owner of Korbel hired my husband Vinnie to be the brewmaster and sole employee. In 2003, Korbel decided to get out of the beer business, and in lieu of severance, they gave Vinnie the brand Russian River Brewing Company. So we wrote a business plan and we convinced about 30 investors to give us a bunch of money. Over time, we were able to use cash flow to open our first production brewery in South Santa Rosa. Eventually, Vinnie and I were able to buy out all of our investors and our business partners, and suddenly we were a solely independent, family-run company, and we decided that we were ready to build our dream brewery. Special features that we paid attention to when planning and designing our new brewery was the ability for the manufacturer to be flexible, to be willing to work with us to make our style of beers. Ziemann was the most flexible in terms of our recipes. The majority of our beers are on the hoppier, higher alcohol side, so we needed some flexibility. They were really willing to listen to what we were looking for and truly tailor things to fit our needs. We also were looking for beauty and aesthetics because the brew house is the focal point of the tour and it's very visually beautiful. We were also looking for attention to detail and quality in manufacturing. Ziemann does take the quality to the next level with things like polishing welds, which is very important when you are working with a product that is so prone to bacteria and spoilage that it's really important that you don't have any nooks and crannies for anything to grow. You know, one thing that Ziemann is known for is the high polish on the cones, on the CCTs. That was actually very important to us as well. Once all the equipment got here, Ziemann provided a lot of consultants. Obviously, for a project this size, there's going to be some bumps in the road, but compared to many other, even smaller projects we've done, it went very smoothly. And then we started brewing in September of 2018, and we were just so excited and so happy with our equipment and the process and the experience with Ziemann and the Ziemann employees and consultants. The equipment has definitely enabled us to make better beer. We attribute, obviously, a lot of that to the Ziemann equipment.